Welcome back to our channel release on Netflix, and let's start the video now. We recognize that season of Lock and Key has been launched these days, and season turned into lots extra thrilling than the primary one. Now the admirers are waiting for the third season of Lock and Key to return back, and is it happening? If season 3 of Lock and Key is happening, we will come to know below. There's a factor that everyone does not recognize approximately about the collection, and it is received from a comedian ebook collection with the aid of using Gabriel Rodriguez and Joe Hill. As stated earlier, then the season 3 of Lock and Key goes to place quickly. However, the filming of the collection has already started. Besides most effective earlier than some days, the makers of the collection Lock and Key have began out making the third season. This isn't proper after second one season of Lock and Key came out. We have found out that the season 3 making of Lock and Key has started simply after season 2, so with the aid of using this, we will anticipate that season 3 of Lock and Key might launch within the spring of 2022. There may be no such waiting any lengthy time. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Lock and Key Season 2 ends on a dramatic episode cliffhanger, putting in a thrilling Season 3 that is already completed production, and here is the whole lot we recognize so far. Based as the comics with the aid of using Joe Hill and Gabriel Rodriguez, Lock and Key tells the tale of own circle of relatives who flow into their antique circle of relatives' home, referred to as the Key House in Lock and Key. Most effective to study that they have inherited a darkish legacy. The display has been a success for Netflix, with the primary season receiving nice reviews, and Lock and Key Season 2 increased the display's narrative with the aid of using revealing the name of the game records of the keys, a record even the Lock own circle of relatives have been unaware of. The battle among Locks and Dodge, a demon unleashed from Demon World, escalates to the factor wherein the whole metropolis turned into chance because of the introduction of a brand new key. Fortunately, the Locks have been capable of replying with the aid of using developing keys in their hand, and that they in the long run destroy Dodge. They accept as true with the threats are over, with Eden, a schoolgirl who is additionally possessed with the aid of using a demon serving because the closing unfastened end. Unfortunately, because the very last scenes of the Lock and Key Season 2 finale prove that is simply the quiet earlier than the storm. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonetflix.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.